Zimbabwe's Constitutional Court of Zimbabwe has reserved judgment in two high-profile constitutional cases contesting proposed amendments that opponents say could pave the way for President Mnangagwa to remain in office until 2030. Sanabana mashikubudani kwachinzi Mnangagwa 2030 term extension bid faces major test as Referendum calls grow. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. The applications were brought before the court by a group of war veterans together with former opposition legislator Prince Zwanda. The applicants argue that proposed constitutional charges violate Section 328(7) of the Zimbabwe Constitution, which prevents serving public officials from benefiting from amendments that extend their terms in office. Addressing journalists after Wednesday's hearing, constitutional law expert Muhammad Duke said the core issue before the court is whether the current administration and parliament have the legal authority to approve changes that directly benefit sitting office holders. Government see Constitution Amendment Bill number 36 to increase presidential and parliamentary terms from 5 to 7 years, while also introducing changes to the presidential electoral framework. Opponents of the bill argue that such major constitutional alterations should only be implemented through approval through a national referendum. A referendum is necessary when dealing with amendments of this magnitude, one of the applicants argued before the court. Supporters of the proposed amendments, however, maintain that the challenges are administrative in nature and do not abolish presidential term limits. The matter has drawn widespread national attention, with political observers closely monitoring the court's pending ruling, which could significantly shape Zimbabwe's constitutional and political future. Doma developments are good upangwa in a comment section. Millions of more any more to live on service to each. So subscribe or like, check on bell icon.